Ka owa dhi nyime nyako Ramogi gi weche ma opogore gi mago mag thieth en ni laktar Donald Mogoi orwake apis kaka jatend migao mar thieth e kaunti ma Nyamira. Nyasi mar sidho laktar Donald ne otimie apis mar gavana ma Nyamira Amos Nyaribo. Okawo kar Bernard Maina mosebedo komako tich e migao no e yor kojolo kuom dweche 7. Gavana orwako Donald kauko ni en gi geno ni migao mar thieth mar kaunti no koro bidhi nyime yo makare e lwete. Gino ma Donald okoni dhi timo gi chuny achiel.
Your support that is extremely immense, and the confidence that you had in me that I'll be able to provide the services and prove to the people of Nyamira that it's possible for us to have a better health system and to eventually for them to get to access healthcare where they need it.
This is the beginning of reforming the health sector. After the exit of the fire, the one who was occupying there, we have taken time to do scouting until we arrived in Laikipia, where we found Mr. Mogoi, Dr. Mogoi. We have done a lot of due diligence. He's been a chief officer. He has been a director of medical services. He has enough experience to drive the health sector of Nyamira forward. We will give him all the support he requires. We will give him free hand, and we are free for consultation anytime, because health is the weakest point of any governance.
Kawuok e kaunti ma Nyamira weche mag thieth